Hi everyone, thanks for being here. Today we are talking about something a lot of teams struggle with: Oracle Fusion License Management. If you're in IT, procurement, or finance teams, you already know how easy it is for costs to grow and how hard it can be to understand who's actually using what. On average, companies find that 40% of their ERP licenses aren't being fully used, and many end up spending more at renewals simply because they don't have clear data. It's a common problem, and that's exactly what we are here to help fix. We're going to walk you through how CloudEagle connects directly with your Oracle Fusion environment and gives you clear insights right down to the feature level. And the best part is, you'll see how automation and AI can help you clean up unused licenses, strengthen your governance, and reduce spend without a ton of manual work. In a moment, Joel will walk you through a product demo so you can see exactly how everything works inside the platform. But before we jump into that, let me quickly share what CloudEagle does more broadly. CloudEagle brings all your SaaS and ERP tools into one place, so you always know what you have, who's using it, and what you're paying for. With over 500 integrations, teams usually save anywhere from 10 to 30% on their software costs and cut a lot of time spent on manual tasks like access reviews, renewal prep, and chasing usage data. Alright, with that, I'll hand it over to Joel for the demo.
Hey, so let's look at how to manage Oracle Fusion licenses. So Oracle Fusion is nothing but the suite of cloud-based applications that is developed by Oracle. So in order for CloudEagle to essentially help you manage Oracle licenses, you need to make sure that first Oracle is integrated with the platform. So this can be done in the admin panel and through by integrating with your SSO or with your integrating with the SSO will do discover Oracle within your portfolio, but you'll only be able to see very high level data. In order for you to see detailed feature level data, you need to make sure that CloudEagle can directly integrate with your Oracle instance. So through this direct integrations, CloudEagle will be able to provide not just like login data, each down to every feature level. So you will be able to effectively manage your licenses, see how much licenses are being used, and you'll be able to create reclamation workflows for licenses for users that are not utilizing their licenses properly, thereby helping you optimize your spend. So CloudEagle is capable of doing all of this. So once these integrations are done, we head to the application dashboard, and then we look for all the Oracle applications that's existing that CloudEagle has discovered. So here it is. Here's one of the sort of applications. So let's head to this. So directly, the first thing you'll be able to see here is the licenses menu, where here you'll be able to see the data on how many licenses have been purchased and how many are provisioned and what's the usage on these provisioned licenses. So all of these data will be readily available for you, so you can make sure that how your users are using it, and enabling you to calculate your ROI on Oracle license as well. So it's not just the usage data. So you'll be able to, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the users who are provisioned to these licenses, and what's their job title, what's their department, and when they were actually provisioned on, what's the source, from where did CloudEagle fetch all of these. So all of this data will be readily available for you here in this dashboard. So once you head to the activity log, so here you will be able to see all your activity of individual users. So what's their activity time, and what type of activity did they perform on the platform. So it's not just like I said, it's not just CloudEagle doesn't just track the doesn't just track like high level data like login data. You will be able to see what each user and how are they utilizing the platform. So all of this data is readily available within the dashboard. And here you can still like go on, you can manage the licenses, like how many licenses were purchased, and how many what type of licenses when the provision is it like a premium tier or enterprise tier. So all of that you'll be able to see here, and you can also be able to upload user details from your from your devices. So and then And then a really interesting aspect of CloudEagle is the AI recommendations. So what AI recommendations basically does is it kind of analyzes what type of licenses you have, how many have been purchased, and how many have been provisioned, and it'll instead of you going and searching for everything, you'll be able to look at it, and AI recommendations will kind of summarize all of these data for you. And so here you can see it's telling us that 33 users have no activity in the last 90 days, and if you deprovision these users from the licenses, you can then downgrade these licenses to a lower tier, and which will help you optimize your spend. And you can also, not just the licenses and not just optimization, you'll also be able to look at governance part of things, where you can see um, who haven't like logged into each of these applications, and that's providing a significant opportunity for you to reclaim these licenses. And you will also be able to run an automated user access review workflow in order for you to see what are the dormant accounts, what are the risky accounts, and so on. So all of these data is readily available within CloudEagle. And it's not just license management. You can head to and now if you want, let's say if you want to like deprovision like some of these licenses, and you can readily deprovision it from the same dashboard, or you can head to access management, and I'm showing you the license harvesting workflow here. And so here you can we create a rule, and we add an application called Oracle. And we can set a criteria. So how many days you want the activity to not be there, so 30 days or 60 or 90 days. And when do you want the rule to be executed, like once a week or once a month? So here I'm selecting like once a month. So repeat it on every first Sunday of every month. And should we send an email to them telling them that, hey, you're not using we have noticed that you are not logged into Oracle license to the Oracle platform, and if you're not using the platform, you'll automatically be deprovisioned from the license. So now if they want to use it, they can click skip my account or not. Or if they don't reply it, and you can just enable that automatically deprovision users. And then you can just review it, and you can just save. So these are the users that have been provisioned, and pretty much the email will be sent to all of them based on the if they fulfill the criteria of not being logged into 30 days. And through that, so once you enter the name, through that the workflow will be active, and you'll be able to harvest these unused licenses from Oracle, and you can save on your spend. So like I said, Oracle Fusion is a suite of applications that's developed by Oracle, right? So you'll be able to see all of these Oracle applications. So you can just head into each of these applications, and you can select what are the activity types, and how many what usage period you wanna review. And so all of these data will be readily available for you within the platform. So you can also check the user data, and check the activity log, and you can also perform like more activities like deprovisioning them, like when did the user platform for the last time. And you'll be able to see what are, so let's say you have activated a workflow for this particular application, so you'll be able to see all of that within the workflow section, how many workflows have been active, and how many has been closed. And so in the need action dashboard, you'll be able to see what are the licenses licenses, or if the license is coming up for renewal, you'll be you can see all of that in the need action menu. So yeah, so that's basically how how easily how CloudEagle can help you optimize your Oracle licenses. So if you're someone who have been using like Oracle, and you can easily integrate with CloudEagle, and you can make sure that your users are utilizing the applications for its worth, And if they're not utilizing it, you can run an automated workflow, and you can deprovision the users, and you make sure you optimize your spend, and improve your ROI. So that's basically how you can manage Oracle Fusion licenses using CloudEagle.
Thanks, Joel. That was great. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review what you just saw. With CloudEagle, you get real clarity into your Oracle Fusion usage. Not just logins, but what features people are actually using. You can clean up unused accounts automatically instead of manually checking who hasn't logged in. CloudEagle can send reminders, reclaim licenses, and help you avoid paying for seats no one needs. You stay you stay ahead of complaints and audits. With a clear view of inactive or risky accounts, teams save ton of time getting ready for internal or external reviews, and you're better prepared for renewals. When you know exactly what's being used, you negotiate from a much stronger position. If this feels like something your team could benefit from, whether it's saving money, reducing manual work, or simply getting more control, we would love to show you a personalized walkthrough. Thank you again for joining us today. We hope you found this session helpful.